guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avni, and if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel down below. So some of you might be getting bored just sitting and doing nothing. So today my video is all about that. Today I'm going to show you some easy peasy lemon squeezy DIYs that you can do when you're bored. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So guys, the first DIY is very interesting if you don't have canvas at home and you want to paint. So this DIY is very helpful for you. So for this we'll need some ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks, whatever you say, and I'm taking 7 to 8 sticks. Then we'll need 2 strips of paper or cardboard, whatever is available at your home. Then stick these ice cream sticks on the paper. Then let it dry. Now paint on this whatever you want to paint. Here I am painting a sunset kind of a painting. And this is the end result. I hope you like this DIY, and you can hang these on your walls and in your rooms and it will look just amazing. So in the second DIY, we will make these butterflies. So for this we'll need a square paper of 15 centimeter. And now see and follow the steps with me. So some of you might find this part a little difficult. So that is why I'm playing this part one more time so that you can understand it in a much more better way. Now you have to take this part and bring it upwards, then stick it with glue. Now our beautiful butterflies are ready and you can use them as your room decor. In the last DIY, I'm going to show you how you can transform your old boring shopping bags into new good looking shopping bags. So let's begin. So for this we'll need a white color shopping bag, and inside this put a hard object so that when you draw it's easy for you to draw. And you can paint anything or draw or whatever you want to do. And here I'm painting I'm drawing a mandala, and now I'm going to outline it with black permanent marker. Yeah, it's ready. Means in like 10-15 minutes it's just ready. So do try this out. That's it for this video. I hope you like these DIYs, these simple DIYs, and if you did, so please smash that like button and also share this with your friends so that वो भी ज़्यादा बोर ना हो. And one more thing, also subscribe my channel if you're new here. And yeah, I will meet you in my next video. Till then, peace. And one more thing, जो अब next आने वाला है वीडियो वो भी ब्लॉग है एंड क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आने वाली है वो भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. सो इसलिए स्टे ट्यून, वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो एंड या बाय बाय.